see the introduction of cloud computing. What is cloud? Well, basically, let us take assuming that if I want to have a Microsoft Office, I have to go and buy a license for Microsoft Office. I have to pay some bucks and then get the license and use it.
Right.
And then every the licensing period would be maybe for 1 year, or depending upon the licensing agreement. Subsequent to that one, there won't be any updates. Then we need to go and get it done as a technology grows. And in my office or at my home, I want to get Microsoft Office for all my family members. Then I have to buy individually the license or a floating license with many number of people. Now, assuming that instead of buying a Microsoft Office, I subscribe to the Microsoft Azure or whoever must give me Office. I want Excel, Word, PowerPoint. This is all access. This is all I wanted. A number of users this. And it is a responsibility for the Microsoft to update its license, security updates, patch, everything. They will do that. Our job is only to go there, type the Word documents, save it. You can import it back, or you can save it in the cloud itself. So that eliminates the necessity of having a separate software for you. This is to give you to give you the what is the cloud.
Right.
Okay, in that aspect you can relate from that aspect. Probably Gmail is the best cloud service. It has been there for quite a long time. Like our email server, the email is not with you as well. It is always with the Gmail server.
Right.
So they provide all the emailing functionality like Outlook, forward, download, everything they have. But the copy is not with you.
Right.
So they maintain it, they manage it, they give you the space for 25 GB, the free. After 25 GB, you provide pay some bucks. And they also come up with their open office. So if you open a PDF, it won't open in your desktop. It will open in that server itself. Open Office Excel, Open Office Word. So all cloud, they are providing it. Then this is another way of doing a good collaboration. You are having a report. You want to create a chart and then you want to present it. And your manager is sitting somewhere else geographically, or your reportees are somewhere else sitting geographically. You want the data. You are asking them to enter the data in the Excel sheet. Put the Excel sheet in the cloud. Give them the link. They also open it in the Excel sheet, in the cloud, update the data. Immediately the data are updated.
Right.
So that also facilitate you, like whenever you are going on your travel, you will have a smartphone. You can open those sheets in your mobile itself or tab itself and then see what happens. So this reduces the lot of infrastructure.
Right.
So I'm just trying to bring your thought process from normal to a cloud. What is the cloud? To give a more example. And then in our journey as a detail, now I just given a user point of view. When we develop in a product, how things happen, what are different varieties of clouds, how they are maintained, that's what we are going to see that.
Okay.
So the main of the cloud, so at least you hope you understand what is a cloud computing, what does it mean. But from the Google or from Azure perspective, if you look at Azure, you said, maybe I'll take up that as an example. So if Azure is providing a cloud service, what all things they have? They have virtualizations. I hope you understand what is virtualizations.
Virtualization, yeah, I do.
Okay, grid computing. Many PCs, many CPUs are joined together, and they manages the space and memories. All are joined together. And service-oriented architecture, which means that the data goes from our client to the cloud is on services, on a software side.
Okay, so going back to grid computing, so that is like many CPUs are basically combined together, right?
Correct.
Okay. So is it just CPU power or is it CPU memory and so on?
Complete infrastructure, CPU power, memory. See, take the case of the Gmail. I have read in one of the internet, they are on a full basement or 2-3 floors is only hardware, nothing else. And they maintain different places. That's the reason millions of people have 25 GB. How much server they need it?
Right.
And then the speed. The moment you put a Gmail, it responds faster.
Right.
So in that case, how they handle those speed and everything. When I see the speed apart from the internet speed, the processing speed, the processing speed of the CPU, the attachment providing you and the opening the attachments, so it are a little bit faster.
Right. So the more resources you throw at it, the more the response time is better.
Better.
Okay.
Of course, internet speed is a latency. That's a different ballgame together. But from the processing speed, the moment it touches the server, how fast they can respond to you back.
Okay.
So when you providing a solution like online mortgage, so it's a responsibility when the client touches your server. What is the response time for me to collate the data and then providing to the internet?
Right.
That is where we need to talk about the processing speed infrastructure requirement.
Right.
So they might have done a lot of R&D and then found that this is what I should spend on the infrastructure. This Gmail, their server infrastructure is not only in US. They have server in multiple places in US, Singapore, in Mumbai, Bangalore. There could be many servers. So it goes, the moment I put a Gmail, it touches my server in Bangalore. Then it try to get the data.
Got it. Okay.